Hello class, I'm back again. Let us continue with one or two small things which I got left out from yesterday's in my lecture in double dimension array. Fine. So you understood basically a double dimension array can be represented in Python by using a nested list. Okay. Now we saw a very important property when we did list in class 11, although we will revise it, we'll try to revise it once again. We saw a very important property of list, that is a list can be slicing of a list. You have done a couple of output problems on that. Now the same kind of slicing we will see can happen in a nested list also. That is in a double dimension array. If we represent through a nested list, there also the slicing can be possible. How it is possible? Look at this. I have taken a nested list. You can see we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements, and each of the elements is further a list by themselves. Now what happens here if you write P and 2 colon. Now in connection with a single dimension array or a simple list, a linear list, okay, which has only, like, it's not a nested list. In case of normal list, we saw that 2 colon means that it will start from the index position 2 and go till the end. So same thing is going to happen over here also. Look at this. Here my index position, if I write down, this would be my 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So if I want to print all the elements of the list from the index position number 2, then it should be from here, this one and this one. So look at this, the output also have come out in the form of a nested list where we got the first element, second element and the third element. First, second and the third element. Now if we do this one, you know these notations also. This means starting from the beginning up to 2, but we saw in the case of a list that it takes one value less than that. So if we write here 2, it will go actually up to 1. That means starting from 0, it will go up to 1. So if that is the case, then look at this, who is 0 and 1? 0 and 1 are these two. So obviously as an output we will get 1, 2, 3 and 3, 4, 5. These two elements we will get. Now we will come to a very complicated case. Look at this. I wrote 2 colon and colon 2. How is it possible for us to write like that? We saw that this is a list, right? Forget about this much. P2 colon, that was a list. And since this is the list, it is possible for us further to slice it. That is how this kind of notations are perfectly alright. So here it means starting from 2, you print the remaining of the elements. That means this. We already got the result. But now I have slash 2, colon 2 also. Colon 2 means whatever I get, okay, from that it is to print only the 0th and the first, because it is ending at 2, so it will go one value less. So let's see once again. This means your result was 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 296. So if I put the index in here, it will be 0, 1, 2. From this again I am taking colon 2. Colon 2 means it has to go up to 1, 0 and 1. So I will get only these two, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 9. That will be the result. Now we already got 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 9 by using this one, 2 colon and colon 2. What happens if I want to use a further slicing? Further slicing obviously will result in something from here. I already got the result of this here, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 9. Now if I do colon 1 means I am trying to print 0 to 1, but it will take one value less than 1, so it is 0 to 0. That means from this, if I index them as 0 and 1, it should take only 0th element. So 0th element is 4, 5, 6. So look at this, the output again printed as a nested list. Although it's a single element, but it printed like a nested list and only the 0th element. Okay. Now you might be wondering, if I do further slicing, what will happen? If I do one more round of slicing, okay, should it slice from this? But it will not slice anymore, because it's a nested list. Now you have only 0th element. After that, it's not possible for us to slice it further. Now slicing further here would mean that you are slicing on this single element. So that will not be possible because you declared P as a nested list. So doesn't matter how many more rounds you use here to slice, the result will still remain the same. This is one thing I wanted to discuss with you. And the second thing in programming or in functions, this basically is a real life problem. Okay. What happens? Imagine there are 4 students. I do the diagram here. Student 1, student 2, student 3 and student 4. These are the 4 students. Fine. Now these 4 students, basically all of them are doing the same 3 subjects. This is subject 1, subject 2 and subject 3. And these are the marks obtained by them. Fine. So what I have done, I have just tried to represent their marks obtained in 3 different subjects by a nested list. You can input that also. You know how to input this kind of list to make it short, because my intention was not to show you this, something else. That's why I just initialized it. If you want, you can input. In a real life situation, obviously you have to input the marks obtained by various students in same 3 subjects or same 4 subjects, whatever it is. Now what I wanted to find out, as the heading says, row total and column total. So if I take the sum along the rows, what I will do? I will get the sum total scored by every student, total scored by student 1, total scored by student 2 and so on. Similarly, if I take the sum along the columns, then I will get the total scored in different subjects. Like how much is the total scored in subject 1? How much is the total scored in subject 2? This can give us various kinds of feedback. Like for example, if I divide this total by the number of subjects, I will get to know what is the subject average for subject 1. Okay, then which subject students have performed better. To do these calculations, we can use it. So what I tried to do in this code, I just tried to show you how to take the row total, and then obviously you can easily figure out how to do the column total. What I have done, look at this. If I have to take the row total, that means I need to sum up 70, 65, 78. Yesterday I told you one thing, that whenever you will deal with this kind of situation, if you are not getting it, it's better for you to write down the location numbers. So again, if I write down the location number of these 3, I will get 0, 0. Okay, I am writing just in graph 0, 0. I have to add up 0, 1 and I have to add up 0, 2. That means whatever the numbers are available in these 3 locations, if I can add up, I'll get the sum total obtained by the student 1. So what I have done, look at this, I put I in range 4, that means I will get the value 0, 1, 2 and 3. Now, here I have taken another loop which goes 3 times. Why it goes 3 times? Because there are 3 subjects, 3 things to add. That means this particular thing will go 3 times for every value of I. So for every value of I, say first value of I is 0, j will give me j equal to 0, j equal to 1 and j equal to 2. Right? Now combining this, we are getting ij. If you combine, you are getting 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2. So 0, 0, 0, 1 and 0, 2. These 3 cells you got. Now look at this, I took a variable sum equal to 0 in between the 2 loops. Because every time I am using the same variable to find out the sum total obtained by every student. So once I calculated the sum total obtained by a single student, say student 1, I should bring it back to 0 before I calculate the sum total of the student number 2. Again I should bring it back to 0 before I calculate the sum total obtained by student number 3, and so on. That is why before I started doing the summing up, I put sum equal to 0. And what am I doing here? I am writing here sum equal to sum plus marks of I and j. That means I and j will combine. So I will get marks of 0, 0 plus marks of 0, 1 plus marks of 0, 2. That is how I can calculate the sum total along a particular row. And then I have printed out the total. I wrote total of student I, or as a matter of fact, if you want to write student number 1, 2, 3, then write I plus 1, whatever it is sum. That is how we can find the sum along the rows. Now, guess how to do the column total. Nothing much. just change the position of I and j. Fine. Whatever was I was representing the rows, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what you do is make it j and make it 3. Make it I and make it 4. Now what will happen, look at this, since you wrote I inside and j outside, that means for every particular value of j, I will have many values. For one value of j, it's a concept of nested loop, if you remember. In this case, what will happen, j will give us the value 0, j will give us the value 1, and j will give us the value 2. And for every value of j, what will happen, I will get these 4 values. Which 4 values? 0, 1, 2, 3. So I will become here 0, 1, 2, 3. Similarly here also I will become 0, 1, 2, 3. So if you combine, look at this, you are getting 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3. This is, look at this here, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2 and 0, 3. So you are getting the column total. And the concept of this thing I told you, because every time you want to find the total, you must refresh the variable to 0, so that it starts from 0 and gives you the correct total. So that is about the row total and column total. So if this kind of problem comes, hopefully you will be able to handle it. So with this, we will stop at double dimension array for a while. Again we will come back. In fact, single dimension array, that is to represent single dimension array, what we need? We need a normal list, a single list basically, not a nested list, normal list, having similar kind of values. So we have to do a couple of problems with that also. And all the topics which we have done earlier, like bubble sort, insertion sort, in fact I found selection sort is also there. So all these things we have to do it quickly once again. Fine.